Okay, here I am. I'm going to do this video again since I just did it and it didn't record on comparing multi-digit whole numbers. This is Eureka Math Grade 4, Module 1, Lesson number 4. We are going to start with our place value chart. It is crucial that you set up your place value chart and label all of your place values, starting from your ones, and here I'm going to my hundred thousands place. Okay, so the first thing you're going to see when comparing numbers is you may get the number and you may have it written in standard form. So we have this number, and then we have this number. Okay, so when we're looking at it, some of us may be able to read this and say, oh, we already have a comma here, which means we know these are our ones period, because they're split up into periods, and these are our thousands period, because this is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, so we could read this as 909,013. And over here is 90,013. Okay, but if you're unable to read both of those numbers, which we will be able to, we're going to plug these numbers and put them into our place value chart. So I'm going to start here and say, oh, there's a 3 in the ones. Then I have 1 in the 10. There's no hundreds. 9 in the thousands. No 10,000s. And there I go. And there's my comma. All right. Now I'm going to look at 90,013. I'm going to change the color and say there's a 3 in the ones, 1 in the tens, nothing in the hundreds, nothing in the thousands, and a 9 in the 10,000s. And there's my comma. Now, when we look at these two numbers to compare them, all you have to do is, let's start with our greatest place value, which we know is the 100,000s, not the ones, that's our smallest. The 100,000s. We have a 9 in the 100,000s, and here we have nothing. So wait, so of course this number has to be greater because it has 900,000s. We have nothing here. So this is our greater number, 909,013. So I'm going to put the greater than symbol there. And we did this by comparing our place values. You could even start and say, let me look at our, oh, not there. Oops, sorry. Pen is, oh, cancel. Pen is dying. Some of us may say, let me start at the ones. Oh, they're the same. Tens, they're the same. Hundreds, they're the same. And you could say, wait, this number has 9,000s. This one has 0. So this number has to be greater, which it does. 909,013. Okay. I'm going to erase these. I'm not going to pause it because I think that's what may have happened last time. Now, I want you to look at this. You may have a problem written here in unit form. So if I have, and it says 500s, 6 10,000s, 2 ones, okay? And we want to know, is that greater than or equal to or less than? I'm going to go down here, 3 10,000s, 500s, and 1 1. Okay? What are we going to do? Plug them into your place value chart, because you'll notice the place values are not in order. Hundreds are in first, then 10,000s, then ones. They're out of order. Okay, so let's plug them in. If we plug them in, there's 5 in the hundreds, 6 in the 10,000s, 2 in the ones. And we put a 0 in all the remaining place values. Okay, that's 60,502. All right, now let's go down to the next. We have 3 10,000s. A 3 goes in the 10,000s, 5 in the hundreds, 1 in the 1. Put the zeros if we don't have them. Now we can look and compare these two. That is 30,501. Well, now let's look and say, now let's look and go, which number is greater? Well, 60,000, wait, I already have 60,000. And over here I have 30,000. There's 6 10,000s. And I have 3 10,000s over there. So that first number has to be greater because I have 6 10,000s compared to 3 10,000s. So when you have to compare a number and it's written in unit form, make sure that you put the digit in the correct place value. Because if you don't, you're going to think this is 562. And you're going to think, oh, it's 562, which it's not. Okay? So, with that being said, that is the end of this quick video on comparing multi-digit whole numbers.